In chapter 30, it says, verse number 2, the Roman has been defeated in the nearer land, okay, and they will be defeated and will be victorious. Okay, let us see here. Okay, you see the translation here? It says, Adna al-Ard is not about the lowest land, it's about the land is near. So the Roman now, they are fighting in Jerusalem.
Nearer, not
Yeah.
deepest.
It's not deepest. However, even if we say that, this is false, because the Roman, they did not have their war in the, in the Dead Sea. They were having their war in Jerusalem. And Jerusalem is way higher than the sea. It's not down the sea. So in the nearer sea, you can go right now and check what the Roman battles they have and which one, why the kuffar, they are making fun of Muhammad. Because Muhammad, he claimed now at this point that he believed that the Christians are from his religion too, which is false, because we don't worship Allah and he's a pagan. Suddenly he is proud about the Roman. I thought the Muslim, they go and they vote them and they fought them and they, because they are kuffar. But here there's a contradiction. Here the Roman, Allah himself, don't worry, the Roman will be victorious. And then it says that they will be victorious and then the believers will be happy. Okay, who is the believers then? Why the believers will be? And here you see this is the Roman against the Persian. Correct?
Yeah.
Number one, this is a false victory, because the Roman, they did not become victorious until many years after. Because if this has happened in the time of Badr, as Muslims they say, it took the Roman many years after to finish the war with the Persian. Plus, it says here within 3 to 9 years. If we go in the hadith, we will find this, that this verse revealed to Muhammad after the Roman become victorious. It says, Abu Sa'id narrated that on the day of Badr, the Roman had victory over the Persian. So the believer were pleased with that, and then the following was revealed. The Muslim, they say this is a prophecy of Prophet Muhammad, that the Roman will be victorious after a few years. But as you see, the prophecy happened after the victory happened. How that can be? Imagine I say to you, tomorrow you will pass the exam, but you passed the exam a week ago. So there's many mistakes here in the verse, and they lie when they speak about the lowest part of the earth. But as long as you are speaking about Muhammad prophesying, well, here we go. Muhammad, he prophesied that the Roman, before the day of judgment, they will become the majority of mankind. If you go right now and search on Google, you will find that the Roman number is shrinking fast, which means the Italian. And Italy now, they are... You live in Italy? Okay.
Yeah.
So, you know then that the number of population in Italy is declining very bad, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So how Muhammad here, he say that the judgment day will come and the Roman are the majority of mankind. Do you see the reference?
Mm-hmm.
Is the Roman is the majority? The Roman, they are not even in the size of a city in China. How they are the majority? So this is a false prophecy about the Roman. The smart Muhammadan, they try to say to you, oh, he meant the Christians, but the Christians are not the Roman. You know what? Okay, there is the Coptic, there's African, there is, I mean, what Roman? There is Indian, there is a Christianity spread everywhere since the beginning of the time. In fact, there is many Christians, they become Christians before the Roman even, as you know, that the Roman as an empire become a Christian 300 years after Jesus. So 300 years before the Roman become Christians, there is many people from many ethnic groups, like the Ethiopian, like the Indian, like Syrian, like all of those, they become Christians already, and they have nothing to do with the Roman. So how the Roman they will come? So this is cannot be what they say that the Roman mean the Christians. The Roman is the Roman. The Quran called the Christians Nasara. Muhammad do not need to use the word Roman. He can say the Nasara. He did not say that. He said Roman. So this is another false prophecy of Muhammad. And that to prove that Muhammad cannot be a prophet.